In the sunny town of Goodness Hollow, everyone knew each other by name. Kids played in the park, neighbors waved from their porches, and the smell of fresh bread drifted from the corner bakery. One bright afternoon, Sophie, a curious and kind-hearted girl, was walking home from school when she spotted something shiny on the sidewalk. It was a leather wallet, not hers. She picked it up carefully and opened it. Inside was a $20 note, a library card, and a folded note. Sophie's eyes widened. I could keep this, maybe buy ice cream, she thought. But then she read the note. If found, please return to Mr. Thompson at 12 Maple Street. Thank you. Sophie took a deep breath. Honesty is the right choice, she whispered. The journey to return it. Sophie ran to 12 Maple Street. She knocked on the door, and an elderly man with gentle eyes opened it. Hello, Sophie said, holding out the wallet. Is this yours? The man's face lit up. Oh. My goodness. Yes, thank you. He invited Sophie inside for a glass of lemonade. Not many kids return things these days, he said kindly. You've done a wonderful thing. Sophie felt warm inside. The wallet had belonged to Mr. Thompson, who was saving money to buy supplies for the local animal shelter. A lesson that sparkled. Word of Sophie's honesty spread through Goodness Hollow. Her friends clapped when she told them. Even her parents were proud. That night, Sophie wrote in her diary. Being honest might not always be easy, but it makes the world brighter. Today I learned that one small act of honesty can bring so much happiness. And somewhere in Goodness Hollow, Mr. Thompson smiled, knowing that honesty and kindness still lived in the hearts of people. The moral. Honesty isn't just about following rules, it's about trust, integrity, and making the world a better place, one good deed at a time. Even a small act can restore faith in people and inspire others to do the right thing. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!